Standing at the economic heart of South China, Shenzhen City, Liangbida Technology Ltd was established in 2008 and has grasped the trend of the times when smart car industry is soaring and counter economic booming. So that has been marching in front of the wave of worldwide RFID Internet of Things industry. With the company culture of integrity, perfection, persistence, and innovation, LBD is a high-technology enterprise who keeps focus on producing and developing all kinds of smart cars and RFID tags in the field of security and identification. 15,000 square meters independent industry zone, LBD building has the level of 100,000 class dust-proof workshops. Advanced equipment inside can meet all the working procedure needs of smart cars and RFID labels, so that we can make them all by our own. Therefore, could guarantee both quality and lead time. Such as CTP4 Germany Heidelberg, 3 sets of offset printing press Speedmaster from Germany Heidelberg, automatic silkscreen printing press, lamination machinery group, automatic die cutting machines, automatic hot stamping machine, all kinds of coating machines like laser coat, spring coat, PIN coat, embossing coat, DOG UV coat, automatic surface detector which designed by our own, Epoxy resin machine, contact cars manufacturing machines, a whole set of RFID tags, making unit including flip chip mounter, die counting machine, combination machine, testing equipment. An updated set of Inlay equipment made the capacity increase 5 times, reach up to 10 million pieces per month. Our main protections including PVC card, magnetic strip card, contact card, contactless card, CPU card, RFID tag, epoxy card, wristband, Keyfob, and so on. With 20 million pieces capacity per month, our market is growing all over the world. Color management developed by LBD keeps all unfinished products easy to recognize and stay orderliness when they move from one procedure to the next. Clean as hospital and well-organized as army are the praises we often heard from our visitors. Every year, we keep putting some of our profit to R&D team, which has expanded the scope from COS of the chips to the hardware and software of security system, and has gained dozens of intellectual property certifications. Some certification we got like ISO 9001-2008 International Quality Management System Certification, FGS Certificate, BV Certificate, Environment Management System Certification, License of Printing Operations. Quality first, quantity follows is our slogan, which has carved in the spirits of all LBDers. And although half of our employees have several years' experience, we still keep training and concerning details, emphasizing on quality. As the golden client of most chip supplier, both domestic and overseas, LBD has established solid strategic partnership with them for all the years. LBD develops some unique facilities to keep the safety of the data and chips. We destroy inferior quality products to maintain secrecy of your design every time. And promise here, we never ever use recycled material and fake chips. From the past to the future, LBD will be your loyal business partner and reliable supplier forever.